You opened up your Amazon seller account and are ready to make that money.
What you gonna do, Jerry? Show me the money!
But not sure what to do next? Hi my loves, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa, Vani for short, and in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys one of the next steps that you should take after being approved to sell on Amazon. And that is how to use the Amazon scanning app. Now to get the app, you have to go into your app store. So I have my phone here. We're gonna go into the app store, and once you're in there, you're gonna type in Amazon seller app, hit that one. Now it's the first one. I already have it, so I'm just gonna have to open it. After that, you're just gonna plug in all your credentials. Now for you to be able to use this app, you do need to have an account set up. If you have not done that, I'm gonna link a video that walks you step by step on how to create an Amazon account. You guys can go check that out after you watch this one. So the first thing I want you guys to look at is on the top right, the little camera thing. You click on that and then, hey, you can see the camera. Now that's one way that you can go ahead and add your products. Now, if you go back into the app, then you see on the bottom, if you scroll down where it says add product, you can also go there and you can, there's another little camera, you can scan your pictures there as well, or you can go in here and type in what you're looking for. Nike socks, that's what we're gonna put. Then you'll search and different listings will come up. So let's say you're at Target and you wanna go ahead and scan this Witch Hazel Olay Cleanser. You're gonna go on the app and we're gonna hit the top camera and I'm going to scan this, and you see, it's gonna bring up all of the listings that have Olay on there. Okay, so let's try a different product. Let's say you're at Nike and you wanna scan these sneakers. So we're gonna hit there and there we go. And you see that the shoe came up. So let's try another example. This Goo Gone. I'm gonna go back into the app and hit the camera, scan that. And you see here, it says request approval. Now that's one thing that you need to know when doing arbitrage. Not all products you're approved to sell. So there is a process on that. I will link another video so you guys can go check that out after here on how to be ungated in certain products. So let's see, sometimes they auto ungate you. So let's see if they'll auto ungate me on this one. So I'll request approval, I'll hit request approval, and it auto ungated me. So all I have to do is hit okay, and I'm approved to sell the Goo Gone. Now let's do another one. Now let's try some Miralax. This one I'm pretty sure I would need to be approved to sell it. So I'm gonna go back into my camera and hit that, scan the code, and yeah, it says request approvals. Let's see if it'll auto ungate me, but I highly doubt it. And no, I need to submit documents for this. So I don't know why it's not showing on the app, and it'll be best to show on desktop, but I would need to submit documents and invoices on me being able to sell this. I can't see what these parts say, image, document. So yeah, I'm not too sure, but you would, how you get ungated for certain things, you need to buy 10 of these from a distributor or from a wholesaler, submit the invoice to Amazon, and then from there, Amazon can ungate you in that, and you'll be able to sell this Miralax or whatever you want. But again, go check out that video. Now, another way to scan your products is if it's not working with the barcode or the UPC, you can go back into the app, hit the camera, and just scan the front of the product and it'll populate. So you see it came out with all the Olay products and listings. Now keep in mind, if the item is available to sell on Amazon, then you'll always find it on when you scan. If you can't find it with scanning, putting in the UPC or the name of the product or anything like that, then it's not on Amazon for you to sell. So what you'll have to do is just move on to the next product, or you can create your own listing. I do have a video on that as well, which I will link, but it's a little bit more steps, but it's possible to add your own listing as well. So this next part, I do want to show you guys how the process works. So I'm going to use this Nike shoe as an example. So let's say you're out at Ross, Marshalls, or even at Nike and you find this. What you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and scan the product like we've done before. Scan the barcode, and here comes the listing of the shoe. So the first thing you want to look at on the bottom left, you'll see it says sales rank. Now this is important because especially if you're new, it's kind of like a guide and it will tell you how well an item is selling. Now a good rule of thumb, you want to stay below 100,000. That basically tells you how quick an item is selling. Anything closer to rank number 1, that is amazing. So you always want to stay close to 1. So the sales rank for this shoe is 35,000, which is pretty good. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the little arrow, and here it's gonna take you to the listings product detail page. So it'll have the name at the top, the sales rank, the reviews for this product, and then if you scroll down, you see where it says low price. That is basically how much it is selling on Amazon. So we can go on there, we're gonna click on that section, and here it'll give you a breakdown of all the fees. So first thing that we're gonna do is here where it says program, you are able to change it to go back and forth from FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, which Amazon picks, packs, and ships everything, you don't have to do anything, or FBM, fulfilled by merchant, which means that when you get a sale, you are the one that ships the item off to the customer. When I started my Amazon journey, I was doing FBM, so I will show you that process, but I am doing FBA now, so we're gonna go through that because it does have a little bit more fees. So we're gonna go down and you see the item price is at $140. That is the total. There is no shipping credits because Amazon is the one that's shipping this out. Now you see where it says Amazon fees. If you want, you can click on that. The first one is referral fee. So that basically means that you are paying Amazon a percentage to use their platform, so they're taking their money. Then we go back to fulfillment fees, and here it'll break down. So this is basically their fee for them to pick, pack, and ship out the item to the customer. So you see here, FBA fulfillment fee is $7.41. We get out of there, and storage cost. Here's another thing that you need to take into account. If you are sending a bunch of inventory into the warehouse, you do have to pay a cost for them to hold it for you. So you always look from January to September, it is 24 cents for you to keep your inventory in there. And if you change it from October to December, it is 67 cents. So let's just go back to that. Okay, we keep going. Now here you can add how much it would cost you to ship your items to Amazon. Usually for me, it's around 50 cents per pound. So this one here, because of that, this is a little bit over the pound. So it is charging me 81 cents. And then now here you're gonna add next cost of purchase. And the cost of purchase, let's say you were at the Nike outlet and they were having a blowout sale, so you paid, let's just say $25 for this. And if you go on the bottom, you see your profit is $85.53 after all the fees that are taken out. Okay, now we're gonna go back and change it to fulfilled by merchant. So we will go here to program, then select the top part where it says select program, and now it'll change to your fulfillment. It has the item price, $140, shipping credits. This is where you would add your shipping. So if you want to add, let's say $3 shipping, you can go ahead and put $3 there, and then it'll make it to $143. Or you can just add that to your new item price. Instead of putting shipping, you can do $143 with zero shipping, and that's it. So you just add your shipping to your item price. We go down, you still have Amazon fees because this is them getting their money from you using their platform. So you'll have that, and that's $21.45. Fulfillment fees, you will not have any fulfillment fees because you're not sending your items to Amazon's warehouse, so that would be zero. There's no storage costs because you are storing it at home, or if you do have a fulfillment facility, you can put that in there, but usually it's at home. And we're not shipping to Amazon. We would just put here the cost of the item, which we said was 25 bucks. And there you go, your profit is $96.55. And that profit seems amazing. So I know you're like, Vane, I'm about to go out and get a bunch of these. Slow down, because this is one of the main rookie mistakes that beginners make. There are a few other things that you do need to take into account when doing product research, like how many sellers are on this listing and you'll be competing with, or how many sellers have this item in stock, or how many times this item sells per month. These are questions that you'll learn and easily be able to answer as you go on your Amazon journey. Now, I will make a separate video on those topics, but in today's video, I just wanna focus on mastering the Amazon app. If you're getting any value so far, please hit that like and subscribe button so this video can reach and help other sellers like yourself. Also, if you need more hands-on help, I am offering one-on-ones. My contact is in the description below. Now, I wanna go back to the main screen of the app. So if you go on there, if you look on the top right, you'll see the last 30 days. You can filter this by last 7 days, 30 days, even year to date. And if you scroll down a little more, then you're able to see the section where it says payments. Now here you'll be able to see when you will be paid and how much you will be paid. Amazon pays you every 2 weeks. So if you feel like you need to get your payment a little bit ahead of time, then you can go on the bottom where it says pay me, and it'll start the process to pay you out a little bit earlier. Now, if you go back into the app and go to the top left where that 3 little lines are, hit that, you'll be able to see where it says inventory. Now, this section is good because you'll be able to see what inventory you have, how much you have left, and if you need to start thinking about restocking. Also, you see where it says orders. Here, you'll be able to see all the orders that you have pending or that are completed. So that's another good thing. Here, if you go down more, you'll be able to see that you have access to the seller support. So you can just click there. I do have a video on how to contact seller support as well. So I am gonna plug that in too. So watch that after. Now back on the main screen, if you wanna add some advertising or coupons to any of your products, you are able to do that directly on the app as well. Now those are most of the important features that I like to use on the app. If you do have any questions, please leave them below and I will definitely answer you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you're always notified when I upload something. And as always, I'll see you guys soon. Bye, my loves.